Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to download iOS 15 on your iOS device, whether it be in iPad OS, whether it be in Mac OS or iOS, which is iPhone. So first you will need a beta profile to download this, since it's not yet out officially. So you will need a beta profile to download this iOS. So before that, as you can see here, I have already installed iOS 15 on my device. First, what you will have to do is search in your web browser iOS beta profile. You click on download beta profile. I'll put in the link in the description. So you scroll down to, as of now, we have iOS 15 beta 2. So you go on click profile. You wait for it to load. Now, Apple has been able to release this beta profile, and it will release the public beta soon. So if you want to wait till the public beta comes out, you can still wait. So this website is trying to download a configuration code. Do you want to allow, John? You click on allow, meaning now your profile has been downloaded. So what you have to do is you go to your settings, you click on profile download. You have the iOS 15 software profile here on your iPhone. So you go straight and click on install, key in your password, you click install. That's it. So after installing, what you have to do is you restart your phone. Yeah, of course, now finally we are able to download our beta profile. So if you want to check whether your beta profile is downloaded successfully, you go to settings, then you go to general, you come down to VPN and device management at the down here, you click there, you will see it over the iOS 15 beta software profile. That's it. You see iOS 15 beta software profile has been successfully downloaded. So with this, you can move on to download your iOS 15. You can move on from whichever iOS you are, 14.7, 14.6, and move straight to iOS 15. All right, okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.